I think I fixed my tracking a little bit. I mean, kinda. Smash it!
Huh?
No, literally just smash it!
What do you mean by that?
Smash it! Yeah! Let's go! Let's go! Get some! Oh my god. Alrighty. Well, if you want me to step on you, I'm gonna have to recalibrate. Give me one quick second. Calibration. Come on. Oh, there we go. There we go. Whoa. Whoa. What is Allie doing? Can I floss still? No, my hips. It's just a hand floss. My hips don't work. My hips are broken. No. I can't even hit the gritty. My lower body doesn't want me to hit the gritty. I wonder if Allie is gonna SAWCON. What is that? What the fuck is SAWCON? What's SAWCON?
Bruh.
No. I'm not falling for that again.